Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Wolf and I'm bringing you some more news, tech news and generally related news. So first off today, Nvidia expects the RTX 3090 and 3080 shortages to last through till 2021. So in a recent interview with Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, after the GTC Digital 2020, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang confirmed that shortages could last until 2021. He said that, "I believe that the demand will outstrip all of our supply throughout the year. Remember, we're also going into a double whammy. The double whammy is the holiday season. Even before the holiday season, we were doing incredibly well, and then you add on top of it the Ampere factor. Then you had the Ampere holiday factor, and we're going to have a really big Q4 season." Jensen Huang. So there you have it. Nvidia CEO says that availability of these cards might not pick up well until into 2021. Okay, next, more in Nvidia news. Nvidia reportedly moving Ampere to the 7nm node from TSMC in 2021. A report straight from DigiTimes claims that Nvidia is looking to upgrade their Ampere custom GPUs from Samsung's 8nm to TSMC's 7nm, according to the sources. The volume of this transition should be very large, but most likely wouldn't reflect the entirety of Ampere's customers facing product stock. The report claims that TSMC has become more friendly to Nvidia. This could be because TSMC now has available manufacturing capacity in 7nm due to its clients moving to the company's 5nm node, or simply because TSMC hadn't believed Nvidia to consider Samsung as a viable foundry alternative, which it now does, and thus lower the price. So TSMC and Nvidia are now working together to bring you more Ampere cards in the coming future. Maybe you might experience some performance differences between the TSMC GPUs and the Samsung silicon GPUs when they come out. I wonder if third-party reviewers will test this to see if there is any difference, but you can look forward to that when the cars come out in the coming year. Next is a news story from Micron. Micron Ready is the world's first multi-chip package with LPDDR5 DRAM for mass production. Today, Micron announced a launch of the UMCP5, the industry's first universal flash storage UFS multi-chip package with low-power DDR5 LPDDR5 now ready for mass production. Micron's UMCP5 combines high performance, high density, and low power memory and storage in one compact package, equipping smartphones to handle data-intensive 5G workloads with dramatically increased speed and power efficiency. The multi-chip package uses Micron's LPDDR5 memory, high reliability NAND, and leading edge UFS 3.1 controller to power advanced features previously only seen on costly flagship device using discrete products such as standalone memory and storage. So more performance coming to more budget smartphones is what I see when reading this. So persons won't have to shell out these outrageous sums to get great performing devices in the coming future if they are equipped with this new multi-chip package from Micron in their specifications. Next, BioStar is reporting that their 400 series motherboards will get the BIOS update to support the Ryzen 5000 series Premier processors. So they have also released a chart, and here at the last column you want to take a look at the X470 and the B550. So it says selective beta BIOS update needed. So when the beta BIOS is available in 2021, the boards will get the support for the CPUs when the BIOS is released from AMD, or the microcode released from AMD to make these BIOS. Further down you'll see that the 300 series chipset will not get any support, and up top you'll see that the 500 series has support across the board when these CPUs launch. Next, Microsoft rolling out Windows 10 October 2020 update with UI changes. And they will be throttling availability as to not cause any mass bug that has gone unforeseen to affect the users' PCs. So Microsoft is beginning to roll out October 2020 update, formerly known as 20H2, with a bunch of changes to user interface, including changes to the start menu and tablet mode, all tab in Edge, and Xbox Game Pass. So the start menu will be getting a design with transparent tiles, which should make them look better with your theme or wallpaper. The taskbar will also become a more touch-friendly experience and will change automatically when you go into tablet mode without asking you whether that's what you want. Additionally, Microsoft is making some changes in notifications to better indicate which piece of software it is coming from. Those with high refresh rate displays will be able to change the refresh rates in settings under Systems, Display, and Advanced Display Settings. There are some new Edge features which are exclusive to the browser on Windows 10. Alt Tab will let you cycle through open tabs. Additionally, when you hover over favicon, it will highlight all of the open tabs from that site. As a typical major OS update, Microsoft will be throttling the release of this update. The May 2020 update took quite some time to reach some PCs and also add quite a few bugs. So this approach may be better. The company know that in this work, learn and connect from home environment where people are relying on their PCs more than ever before we are taking measures. Seeker-based rollout approach to October 2020 update. So devices with hardware compatibility issues may also trigger safeguards, so it may be a bit until October 2020 update hits your laptop or desktop. So yes guys, Microsoft is saying that they don't want to brick person's PCs when the update is released for them, so they're kind of slowly releasing it, limiting it so that it doesn't hit everyone's machine at the same time, and some crippling bug makes persons can't work from home or study or school from home. So that's it for the stories, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, the links to all the stories I cover are in the description, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.